Hey guys, welcome back to Kemari Reaction for another reaction video with me today. Hey guys, how you guys doing? So I'm back today guys with another reaction video. This is K-pop versus J-pop 2020 final edition. Weeaboo. I think this is a boys one, so let's see. I know a few people are very upset about the K-pop and J-pop. Which one is better? I don't care. I'm just here for whatever compilation they gave me, and I'm gonna go based off my liking, okay? And that's final. Oh, it's the girls one, not the boys one. Did I react to this one already? Oh, this is a girls edition. Come on, Fakey. Girlfriend. Japanese. Black Mamba. Come on, BTS. Shine the lights.
Back it up, back it up. Suddenly hit the line.
Master front page. Super M. Ooh. Okay, who the hell is?
I just wanna be a boy.
Taemin. Ooh, KP. Ooh.
I just wanna be a boy.
boy. Ooh, ooh. Ooh. Got 7. J-Soul Brothers. Yes, Exile Tribe. Are they from Exile Tribe? A-Zone. Okay. Back. Leg. The Rampage. Come on, ladies. Japanese. Japanese. Boom, boom, boom. Japanese. I think did I react to this song? Dum-da-dum-da. G-Idol. Illusion, revolution of the mind is Alexa. Oh my god, Alexa, I'm so happy to see you on there. Dum-da-dum-da. So I'm illusion. Everglow. Come on, Japanese. Moon, Prism, Power. I know Card. Yeah. Okay. It sounds like Japanese to me. Is it Japanese? What is her? What's her name? Shungha? Cats. Dreamcatcher. Okay. Oh. Who's that? Who's this last one? Okay. K-pop versus J-pop 2020 final edition. Weeaboo. Weeaboo. I like your channel, Weeaboo. I like your channel. I will react to videos on your channel. Who was that last person? Say my name. Who was that last person? Thanks for the ones who recommend me to direct to this video. I really do appreciate it. This list, K-pop versus J-pop, I'm here for it. Let the voting begin. Let the voting begin. For everybody else, whatever you guys want me to react to, feel free to leave a link below in the comment section. And I'll get to it as soon as possible. As always, who can do you besides you? I really do appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.